Everyone, welcome back. I have the Simon Says Stamp November 2021 card kit, and I'm going to slowly unbox this. I should have done a live, not live one on this. It would have been a lot easier, so bear with me if I get the products not quite in the right order, but they will be listed below as to what's in the November card kit, which is called Cozy Wishes. So this is how it comes to you. Excuse me. Barking at you. And in there is a whole plethora of fabulous wintry goodies. So they've got a Swiss Miss hot chocolate and a little candy, which they always put in. Then there is the Positively Everything tool, which I got so excited this was going to arrive. So I will take this out in a minute, and there's lots of different things that you can do with this. One of the main things that I will be using it for is to hold my ink pads while I'm actually crafting. So you put it on your desk, and then you would have an ink pad on top of it, and it holds it. So if you ink blending or something, you don't need to try and hold onto your ink pad as well. That's what I'm trying to show you here. But it's also got all these little crevices and things that you can use to actually clean your blending brushes with. and it's a, you can use it for a multitude of different things that they explain on their website. So go check that out. Then there's a sheet of sentiments that are foilable. I believe you can hot foil with them. And of course the list of all the bits, which is what I'm reading from. Then there are some envelopes. I think it was supposed to be 2 A2s, but I got I guess a business size, or like a DL, what I know is a DL size envelope, like a slimline envelope, and a A2 envelope. And these are in soft navy and cream. And then let's see which bit I pick up next. And then this is the embossing folder that comes with the kit, and it is this beautiful Scandinavian Christmas embossing folder. So this is quite cool because now I've got a bit more packaging that I get to just figure out what to do with. If you saw one of my previous videos, it shows you how to use that packaging to make a shaker. So, and then there's this holly stencil. Let's just see if I can find the name of it. Oh, sorry, berries and leaves, 6x6 stencil. And then these are the pattern papers that come with it. And I'm going to show you all the pattern papers, the actual patterns. They're double-sided patterns. They're 6x6, and they are just trying to find it. It is the Paper Roses Scandi Christmas double-sided paper. And there's some beautiful patterns in here. I'm also thinking that on some of the sheets where there's the sort of section, like this bit, where there's 3 sections, you can make 3 mini slim lines easily out of that. The ones that have a lot of little bits, not so much that one, but this one, I figure I'm going to try and see what my scan and cut can do to cut them out for me, so I don't have to hand cut them out. And there's lots of pieces at the bottom that you could use as borders as well, which I thought was really cool. Really beautiful colours, very soft. And then these have these tiny little, almost like little tag type things, little ATC type size, that you could put on and make little tags for your Christmas gifts. Then there is this fabulous like mirror card, which it's a matte silver cardstock. Sorry, I'm reading off a list. Of course, I should have just listed it. It would have been easier. Or put it on the screen for you. And then we have the soft navy, the cream. This is the Neenah Desert Storm. Then we have the midnight green, the cream, and the soft navy. I could have said that the right way around for you, but we're here. So, and those are 8.5 by 11 sheets of cardstock. So you get full sheets of cardstock as well with the kits. So the pièce de résistance, yes, I said it like that, can you believe it? For me anyway, in the stamp set, and it's super cute, is this Cozy Wishes stamp set. There's loads of things in here. This is not just for winter. There's birthday, there's missing you, there's thank you. You could, like I say, use this for a multitude of winter birthday cards, but not just winter. You could use this all year round, which the more I was looking at the images, the more I saw that. So I think that's cute. And the one with the little heart on it, you could easily use that at Valentine's. That'd be a cute thing. See, brain ticking over now. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you stay tuned, because I will bring you some videos on what to do with this kit, and not just winter ones. So I hope you enjoy this, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.